You gonna jump out. Hi, Mama miss you guys. Hi, Mama. Hi, Boo. Mom brought you a new blanket with oil and she brought you some clothes. Y'all stop. Here, let Mama get down there with y'all. See what y'all. Don't do it to her. Let me see. Hi, Bubba. Hi. Hi. Look at this. Hi. Stop. Why you always messing with her? Stop. She don't want that. Hi, Bubba. Mama brought oil so I can give you guys a raindrop. Till we can see Judy. You gotta go pee-pee, huh? I think Mama brought pipe there. Here. Here. Go come on. Go pipe in. Good job. You guys are so smart. Let's see what Mama brought. Look. You gotta go these. You never had one of those before? Yeah. It's a toy for you to play with. It's so quiet. It's freeze-dried rabbit. It's a little snack. You like rabbit? Mama ate it all. You don't like it? Mama. Okay. Mama brought the oil so we can do oils on you guys. I brought you some more clothes, Mama. Oils. We're going to the raindrop party, okay? See what we need. You want to go first, Mama? Oh, I left it in my bag. Put it in my backpack. I think I left that one. I need some bladder. Oh, we got some bladder. Oh, there's nothing in there. We need bladder. Okay. We are going to improvise. Bladder is one of the most important ones. Oh, is that? Oh, I got it. Look what smell. Yes, that's good stuff. No arguing, children. Don't do that. What's in your mouth? Come here. What you got? I think we're gonna add some frankincense. We're gonna add frankincense. We're gonna do cypress last. We're gonna do cypress, then peppermint. Okay, so we're gonna do some cocoa beer. What you got? What's that? Cocoa beer and peppermint. You ready? Get one of your blankets. This smells so good. I'm gonna put oil on it. Get that, have it. Come on. Good girl. Can you look at your skin? Oh, you got stitches. Stitches right there. Oh, that is so bad. Stay with mama. You're finna like this. Go use the potty pad. Get from under there. Hey, get from under there. You got to put your comb back on. Come on. What you eating off the floor? Don't eat off the floor. Like it. Wait until you get one from Judy. You're gonna be like, wow, look at all this yeast on your skin. You feel better? We're gonna get you all cleaned up. We're gonna take you to get there cleaned up. It's gonna be all good. Okay, I'm gonna get all this yeast off your skin. Feel good? Under your feet. Good release. Good girl. Put some of this. Come here. Let me see. There you go. Bless you. Good job. You wanna go next? Come on. Come on. Come, mama. Come here. Come on. Good boy. Stay right there. It's gonna be okay. This new, but just relax. Good job. What happened to your thing? you eating under there? Corner. Stop eating under there. Get from under there. You stop eating whatever you're finding under there. Hey. Here. Why are you over there doing it to yourself? All right, you're done. Go ahead. Is that gonna come on? It is. Okay, you're good. Go ahead. Good shape. Come on, Warner. Come, Mama. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. It's your turn. It's your turn. Thank you. Thank you. Get from in front of the camera, thank you. You okay? Look at your brother, he's finna sleep like a baby. You're doing this on the floor. Okay, so that's gonna help you relax. You sleepy now? That's good. You're gonna rest really good tonight. Get all ready to come home. There you go. You're gonna make me waste my oil stuff. Good legs. Good job. It's feeling good already. It's getting in your system. Good job, buddy. Good job. You keep moving, I keep dropping it on myself. You look so sleepy now. You got your oils? Oh, mama's sleepy too. I'm gonna get you guys all situated with your new blankets, okay? With the oils on it. This is a makeshift raindrop. This is not, when you get home, oh, you call mama gonna put your blanket on you. You see Judy? Oh, it's gonna be so good. This just to help you guys skin right now. Stop. Almost done, stop. Good job, buddy. Good bird. You're gonna put on your breakfast. Come on. There you go. Okay, there you go. Let me get you guys skin clean so bad. We're getting their cleans. Okay, mama. You look so sleepy. There you go, mama. There you go. Okay, let's make sure everything is in your beds. Did I put this on? I'm just gonna wash this. And your other blanket. So don't worry, y'all. You got your good blanket in there. Okay. You want mama's blanket. I'm gonna clean your blanket, mama. It's so dirty. I got some for you. Get in here. Come on. You want to put you in there? You're not ready to get back in here yet. That's okay. We can wait. We can wait until you're ready. There. Everybody got their good smelling blanket in there. Did you like it?